Hello, Darin Martineau, and I'm the Renaissance Man. And welcome to my YouTube channel. So please subscribe, like, and share. And what are you going to learn on this video? Well, I have many different sections. One of the sections is on marketing. Okay, I have many different playlists to teach you how to be a better marketer, any kind of business. Okay, whether you're online or offline and you want to go online, take your business online, I'm going to help you do that. I'm going to teach you how to make money online. Okay, marketing. Two is I am a uh, master magician and I'm going to teach magic. And number three, I am also a martial artist and I'm an entrepreneur. I own many businesses. So welcome to the channel and put in your name and email, and I'm going to send you 50,000 visitors for free right now. So click on the link and do that. Thank you.